Today we are going to discuss about how to draw keys diagram through AutoCAD software.
Want to ace your exams? Welcome to VSK Educations. We make learning simple and fun. Get top tips and tricks daily. Subscribe and start learning today.
AutoCAD software gave limits, units as explained in previous videos. Lines, load axis line, then select line command, draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. Select an offset command to draw the diameter of the shaft of 10 mm above and 10 mm below from the respective axis. Then change the type of line from axis to continuous line. Select line command, then draw key slot of 16 mm width, 10 mm height. Take line command, draw a line of 10 mm distance from the key slot. Draw a vertical line of height 15 mm and 55 mm horizontal line. Then draw a vertical line of height 20 mm. Then draw a horizontal line of width 20 mm and draw line up to upper layer of the shaft. Then select the mirror command in my enter. Select whatever we drawn previously. Select them and select and click enter. Then select baseline, first point and second point. Then click on OK. Source objective erase is no. Then select line command and draw end parts of the shaft. Next select spline curve command. Change the line into curves. This structure indicates shaft or pipe. Change the type of line into axis. Project the lines from front view to side view. Next draw vertical axis for center of the shaft. Change type of line into continuous. Then select circle command. Draw circle with the help of projection lines. Then remove projection lines. Change the type of line into continuous. Then select circle command. Draw circle with the help of projection lines. Then remove projection lines. Draw the main shaft circle with the help of circle command. Next draw key side view with the help of rectangle command with the dimensions of height 10 mm, width 10 mm and place its original position with the help of move command. Next with the help of trim command, trim unwanted portions. Then change type of lines into hidden lines and draw invisible parts. Next select hatching command and select suitable hatching lines and draw sectional parts. Next select the dimension command, give dimensions to all the parts. Next select the text command, single line text, give the title of the object.
If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.